Alright guys, so we're gonna see how the exhaust sounds inside the cab. So we're gonna do a couple of runs and see. See, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but usually around 2000 RPM, that's when it gets the loudest. But to me it sounds pretty good though. I like it. I know a lot of people probably just complain about it all the time, but not me. So I'm gonna just floor it all the way down and see. Let me just. See, even when you step on it, it doesn't get as loud. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and I'll probably get a better video and stuff later on, but just time doesn't let me.